Welcome to the year 2050. Life is very different now. We have flying cars and holidays on the moon, but the best thing is my new helper. This is Unit 734. It is a very smart robot. It cooks, cleans, and organizes my house. I am very happy because I don't like house chores. Unit 734, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready to help. What is my first task?
The first day was okay, but the second day was interesting. In the morning, I wanted coffee with sugar. The robot went to the kitchen. It came back quickly.
Help me!
The coffee was terrible. I looked at the robot. It put salt in my coffee, not sugar.
What are you doing?
Salt is a mineral. Minerals are healthy for humans.
Okay, everyone makes mistakes. Later, I went to work. I told the robot, please clean the living room. When I came home, the floor was very clean and wet. But where was my laptop? Oh no, my laptop was in the water bucket. The robot washed my computer with soap.
The computer was dusty. Now it is clean.
I think Unit 734 is too smart for me. Or maybe it needs an update. I turned it off. Tomorrow, I will wash my own dishes. The future is amazing, but sometimes the old way is better.
Thanks for watching my sci-fi story. Let's learn some words. Task, chores, dusty, turn off. Don't forget to subscribe for more English stories. See you next time.